I was sent these multivitamin patches and they're really pretty cool. So this is what it looks like. You get a whole bunch of these, and then I have this one open to do a little demo with you. Now you can put them on your arm, your forearm, or your abdomen. The times I've tested it, I put it on my abdomen, but you could also pop it right on here on your forearm. Really, really easy to apply. It's kind of skin tone color, although you would definitely see that if you do put it on your arm. If you put it on your stomach, maybe not so much. And then you just leave this on for like 6 to 8 hours. No impact. You don't feel anything really, to be honest. I didn't feel anything, but it's multivitamins. So if you struggle with taking pills or multivitamin gummies, this is another great way to get your multivitamins in, because you're just getting it by putting on this little patch and you really don't even feel like it's on. Now, after 6 to 8 hours, when you go to pull it off, it's pretty easy to pull off. But if you try to pull it off right after you put it on, it's pretty sticky and it does kind of hurt when you go to pull it off. So definitely leave it on the full time. And I think you'll enjoy this if you're one of those people that just doesn't like to take multivitamins in pill form or in gummy form.